The art of making healing potions is a blend of ancient wisdom and natural ingredients. These magical concoctions can soothe common ailments and enhance your well-being. Starting with simple remedies is the best approach for beginners. These potions, crafted from easily accessible ingredients, offer an excellent introduction to the world of potion making, allowing you to practice and understand how different elements work together. As you become more comfortable with the process, you can experiment with more complex brews. Here's a basic recipe to get you started on your potion making journey. The common cold concoction requires echinacea petals, crushed ginger root, lemon balm leaves, and a whisper of mint essence. Begin by gently simmering the ginger and echinacea in boiling water for 10 minutes. This step helps release the medicinal properties of the ingredients. After removing from heat, add the lemon balm leaves and mint essence. Allow the mixture to steep for another 5 minutes before straining. This potion is designed to boost your immune system and alleviate common cold symptoms such as congestion and sore throat. By starting with such simple recipes, you'll gain confidence and knowledge, setting the foundation for more advanced potion making in the future. So gather your ingredients and embrace the magic of healing potions today.